Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome you all again in the virtual learning system of Pakistan International School Taif, Saudi Arabia. Dear students, as you know that this is Pakistan International School Taif virtual class for class second year students, subject computer science, and today is our 48th lecture. Teacher name Imran Ahmed. Dear students, as you know that we were discussing about the chapter number 5 lab activities. Last question which we have already attempted was input data from keyboard into two-dimensional array X that has R rows and C columns. It means that we don't know how many rows in a matrix and how many columns are in a matrix. The demand of a program was that sum of each row. If you have calculated the two, then you will sum the all of the first row, then second row sum up to so on. So for this purpose, we have developed the program. I hope you have practiced all of the programs of lab activities, all of the programs which are present in the chapter, and those programs which we have discussed in our previous topics. I hope you are doing in the C++ language. Today our topic is about the strings. The question is right question number 9 or the program number 9 related in the uh, chapter number 5 lab activities. Write a program that reads a string, copies it into another string and then prints both strings. For this purpose, we have developed the programs. The answer for this program or the program which you will write in the IDE hash include iostream.h, hash include canio.h, and another additional header file which is hash include string.h. Keep in mind, excuse keep in mind whenever we will discuss about the strings, so you must add the header file string.h in your program. So we will discuss this program. Void main character. As you know that the string having the type of type character, first string is str1 and it having the values 50, and second string str2, the name of the string is str2 and it having also the values 50. It means that both having values how much, 50 50. So first this message will be appear on the screen, enter a string, enter a string. Watch here, this message will be appear. This is the message, enter a string. After that, say in dot get. I told you whenever we will explaining the topics, say in dot get function. So this function is used to display a string with the spaces. If I don't use the get scene, if I simply use the same, so spaces will not be count. Or if I use this get s function, spaces will not be count. So for this purpose, I use the function c in dot get. Watch here, str1. It means that 50. str1, how many characters we were going to read? String copy str2, str1. So over here we have did the mistake. So I will write the name of any name, Imran. So string will be enclosed within double inverted commas, Imran. This is the string. Watch here. This string will be copied. This no need to, I think, display the name over here. 50. 50 is the length. How many characters we can read from the scene dot get? 50 characters. So till 50 character I can read. So watch here, enter a message. With the help of this function, I enter at the output screen the name Imran Ahmed. So now the string 1 having the value of which one is Imran Ahmed. String copy. So string 1 contents will be copied into string 2, and string 2 having the length of we have reserved in computer memory, which are 50 characters. So these are the not that much character, 5 for this one, 5, so total 11 and 12. Why I am saying 5 for Imran, and space is another character 6, 5 for this, 6 plus 5 is 11, and for the last backslash 0, so total 12 character will be occupied. So string 1 is copied into string 2. Now I will display the both strings. Watch here, cout string 1, str1. So the value which have str1, the string 1, this message will be appear on the screen, string 1 Imran Ahmed, and you can check that as we use the string copy function, and the contents of string 1 are copied into string 2, and now I am going to display the string 2. So this message cout string 2 will be displayed on the screen. This message string 2 will be and the contents of the string 2 which we have copied from the string 1. So string 1 having the content Imran Ahmed, so same content will be displayed on the output screen like this one. L and get ch. So I told you string this header file is the purpose of this function scene.get one string copy another function. So we use two string function in this program. That's why I add string.h header files. Next program, write a program that reads two string of size 20 and perform the following operation. Which one is print both string with their length. Print both string with their length. As you know that we have already discussed the string length function, strlen function. So with the help of that we can solve this program easily. Next B part is concatenate the second string onto the end of the first string and print it. So merging, you can say that we will merge the second string into the first string. Now for this purpose, two header files, mouse is little bit disturbing. Okay, header file iostream.h hash include conio.h. Next is string.h because we will use the string function in our program. So first of all, character str1 having the length, we are this is the not assigning the value. It means that we are going to reserve the 50 bytes in our computer memory for the string 1 as well as 50 bytes also for the string 2. Now cout enter string 1. So this message, first this message will be appeared on the screen, enter string 1. Now with the help of get function str120, it means that I can assign only 20 value, 20 characters for the string 1. So I reserve or I enter five characters any name. Like I enter over here Imran. So cout enter string 2. Enter this message will be appear on the screen. Enter string 2. Now for the string 2 also 20 character, within the range of 20 character I will assign same dot get str2 comma 20. With the help of this function I will assign the 20 character values, minimum maximum 20 character values. So Ahmed I enter the next one. So cout character in the string ones are, watch here, program says first of all the definition print both the string with their length. So both string we will display with the length string using the strlen function and str1. It will tell me character in the string 1 are how many characters? 5 characters. Again, cout character in the string 2 are character in the string 2 are how many characters? Character in the string 2 are also 5. So you can check this one. You can assign the different values for the string 1 and string 2. It will tell you how many characters your string have. Now the second part was concatenation process. Concatenation, it says that you will have to merge the second string into the end of the string 1. Now with the help of string cat function, string concatenation, this the purpose of string cat is string concatenation or merging string 1 comma string 2, string 1 having the value Imran and string 2 having the value Ahmed. So it will I will display because now the string 1 having Imran Ahmed full. So see out string 1, watch here string 1. So its value should be like this, Imran Ahmed without any space. So this will be the answer. And then so get ch and termination of the main function. Number 11, write a program that reads three string and prints the smallest. Print the three string and so with the help of string length function, I will check which string is the smallest string. So we will enter the three string and we will display the smallest string at the end. Okay. Next answer of this program will be like this: hash include iostream.h hash include conio.h hash include string.h. It means that this function is again because we are dealing with the string, so string header file must be included in our program. Void main, the purpose of this program is starting main function void main. Now character, how many string program says? It says three string str1. Initially, I am going to reserve the 50 characters for string 1, str2, 50 character also reserved for the str2, str3, 50 bytes also reserved for the string 3 function. Another variable n which having the type of integer, it means that we will assign the n type integer. So see out. Now let me check this one. This one is yes. See out enter string 1. So it will ask me with the help of scene.get string 1 comma 50. It means that within the range of 50 character I will assign when I will execute the program, which is 50 characters. So 50 characters, let's say its output I show over here. Let's say again I assign the value string 1 Imran. Second string enter string 2, because program says enter three string, enter string 2 scene dot gets str2 comma 50. It means that within the range of 50 characters you can assign any values or any string to the string 2. So next string we assign, watch here the output Ali. Enter next message will be appear like this one, enter string 3 str3 comma 50. It means that again it will ask me for the within the range of 50 character we will assign any 50 character values or with less than 50 character values. See not get. So third character, third string which we have entered is Khan. So now these three output with the help of C out and with the help of C in dot get, these three values I assign. Now keep in mind string 1 having the value Imran, string 2 having the value Ali, and string 3 having the value Khan. Now what should we have to do? Program says the string which is smallest among all of these strings. So string 1 having value Imran, string 2 having the value Ali, and the string 3 having value Khan. So obviously according to this data, Ali is the smallest one, and now we will display the only one. Now if statement, if str length str1 is less than, so str length of str2 This one is the simply like this one. If n1 is less than n2 and n1 is less than n3, so obviously n1 will be the lesser. So watch here. If the string length of str1 is 5 characters, and the string 2 is the less than string 2 having the length of 3 characters. So 5 is less than 3, this condition is false. And string length of str1 is also less than string length. So 5 is string 3 having the length 4, and string 1 having the length is 5. So false and false result will be false, so this statement will not be executed. Because in the logical operator and, already you know that we have discussed the logical operators. With the help of logical and operator, when all condition will be true, then the result will be true. So both conditions becomes false. This one is false, again this one is also false, so false and false result will be false, so this if will not be executed. Second, else if string length 2, which having the 3 characters, 3 is greater than 5, sorry, 3 is less than 5, this condition is true now. 3 is less than 5, this, and 3 is also less than 4, because string 3 having the length of 4 and string 2 having the length of 3 characters. So 3 is less than 4, this condition also becomes true. This condition also when the, so first condition is true, second is also true. True and true, true and true, result will be true. So when the result will be true, this statement will be executed. Which one is C out? Within the double quote, string 2 is the smaller, and string 2 it will display on the screen, and L. Now, if you assign the different values, for example, string 1 is lesser or string 2 is not lesser, or now I'm saying that if first string is having the 8 character, second string having the 10 character, and the third string having the 4 character. So which will be the lesser, which is the smallest string? So obviously, according to this data, string 3 will be smaller. So now watch here. For this purpose, if the string length 3 according to this data, it having the 4 character. Watch here, in one having 5 characters, string 2 having the 3 characters, and string 2 having the 3 characters, and string 3 having the 4 characters. 5, 3, 4. So now check this one whether this condition is true or false. Now string 3 having 4. 4 is less than 5. Now this condition is true. 4 is less than 5. This condition is true. And 4 is less than string 3 length. So 4 is less than 3. So this condition is false. Now first condition was true and the second condition becomes false. So according to the logical AND operator, true, true, and false result will be false. As I know, as you know that in AND operation, all condition must be true for the true result. So this will not be executed. See out, string 3 is the smaller string 3 and L. So this will be not executed. Now, if all having the same values, for example, Imran, Ahmed, Ahmad is also having the 5 character. Imran is also having the 5 characters, and another any name, let's say Kasha, Khan, Khana, Khana, it has also a 5 character. So all the string having, watch, let me correct this one message. So all having the same characters, for example, all having the 5 length value. So what will be the result for this purpose? So else, if this all of this condition will not be true, and this condition will not be true, and this condition will not be true, then which statement will be executed? Control will be transferred to the else statement, and this message will be appeared on the screen. string cout strings are equal. So all string will be, if this message will be appeared, all strings are equal in length. Get ch and the termination, and this is shows the termination of the main function. Over here, your chapter number 5 is complete, and come to whole chapter with the lab activities. All of the chapter is completed. So I hope you will understand and practice all of these programs. Most important is these chapters are arrays. The definition of array is array contains the homogeneous set of data elements and array store in a consecutive memory locations. Arrays access the arrays elements are accessed through the index number which they occupy. So these are the simply chapter number 5. So in this chapter we have discussed the strings as well as arrays. For the arrays, one dimensional array and the two dimensional array. Simply one dimension means when the data is present on the x-axis, so they are known as the one dimension, and when the data is present in the both direction, so it is called the two-dimensional array. So after that, one dimension and two dimension, we did the few programs in the lab activities, also in the exercises. So next was the string, and the string, the definition of string is like this one: combination of different characters makes a string. Keep in mind, whenever you will use for any array like integer and float, so it means that you are going to make the array. But whenever you will use the character, it means that you are going to deal with the string. I hope you understand. You must practice all of these programs not related with this chapter, for all whole chapters. So, inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss the next chapter, and reduce chapter. Next chapter is next chapter is not a fully chapter. Federal Board reduce the few topics from the functions. So, inshallah, we will select the proper those topics which are included now in your course. We will discuss all of them. Till take care of yourself. If you have any confusion, you can join me in the Zoom meeting. Till take care of yourself. Pray for me. Pray for all Muslim. Allah Hafiz.